Are you tired of pulling out soaking wet gear after a day on the water? Whether you're kayaking, hiking, or hitting the beach, a great waterproof dry bag can be a total game changer. In today's video, I'm breaking down the 12 best waterproof dry bags of 2026, covering durability, capacity, closure type, and overall value, so you can pick the right one without the guesswork. Let's dive in. Number 1. HEETA Waterproof Dry Bag. The HEETA Waterproof Dry Bag kicks off our list as a fantastic pick for beach trips and kayaking. It comes in sizes from 5-liter all the way up to 40-liter, so whether you're packing light or loading up for a full day out, there's a size for you. The frosted, semi-transparent body looks sharp and makes it easy to see what's inside without digging around. What really sets the HEETA apart is the included waterproof phone pouch. That's a bonus most dry bags don't throw in. The adjustable shoulder strap makes it easy to carry hands-free, and the roll-top closure gives you a solid, reliable seal. If you want a versatile beach bag that includes a little extra, the HEETA is a great place to start. Next up, the Frelaxy Waterproof Dry Bag is built for backpackers and long-distance hikers. It's made from ripstop polyester, which means it resists tearing even when packed against sharp rocks or rough terrain. The ultralight construction keeps your total pack weight low, which any serious hiker knows is a huge deal. What makes the Frelaxy shine is its packable, space-saving design. When you're not using it, it practically disappears in your pack. It's tear-resistant, reliable, and won't weigh you down on the trail. If you're an ultralight hiker or just hate unnecessary bulk, the Frelaxy is your best bet on this list. Coming in at number 3, the Unigear Waterproof Dry Bag is built tough for serious water sports. Made from 500D PVC, this bag is thick, durable, and designed to hold up against the abuse of rafting, kayaking, and open water paddling. One of its coolest features is that it actually floats when properly sealed, so if it goes overboard, it's not gone for good. The abrasion-resistant shell and adjustable shoulder strap make it practical for a full day on the water. If water sports are your main activity, the Unigear delivers the durability and peace of mind you need. Solid pick for paddle sports enthusiasts. Number 4. Baby Goal Waterproof Dry Bag. The Baby Goal Waterproof Dry Bag takes a different approach, and honestly, it's a refreshing one. Instead of the classic roll-top design, it features a zipper closure, making it more like a wet, dry organizer pouch than a traditional dry bag. It's perfect for storing wet swimsuits, soggy towels, or damp gym gear without everything else getting soaked. It's compact, lightweight, and super easy to toss in a gym bag, beach tote, or suitcase. It won't replace a heavy-duty roll top for extreme water sports, but for everyday swim and travel use, the Baby Goal is a clever and convenient little organizer. Number 5. Wise Owl Outfitters Waterproof Dry Bag. If you can never decide what size bag you need, the Wise Owl Outfitters Waterproof Dry Bag solves that problem with a 3-pack bundle in assorted sizes. You get the flexibility to organize your gear across multiple bags, which is perfect for camping trips, river days, or weekend travel. The ripstop waterproof material keeps things light and tough at the same time. Having 3 bags means you can separate electronics, clothes, and food all at once, and each bag rolls top to seal tight. For the price of 1 premium dry bag, you get 3 versatile ones. Excellent value bundle that's hard to beat for outdoor organization. Halfway through our list, we've got the EarthPack Waterproof Dry Bag, and this one means serious business. Built from 500D PVC with heavy-duty stitching throughout, it's one of the toughest bags on this list and comes in sizes up to 55-liter, giving you room for a full day's worth of gear. Backpack strap options make it easy to carry on long hauls. EarthPack has built a strong reputation in the outdoor community for a reason. This bag is reliable, adventure-ready, and built to last. If you're heading into rugged conditions or taking on big water, the EarthPack is our top overall pick, and it absolutely earns that title. Number 7. Pimoy's Waterproof Dry Bags. Looking to stretch your dollar? The Pimoy's Waterproof Dry Bags come as a multi-bag bundle pack, giving you several dry bags at a price that won't break the bank. They're lightweight, waterproof, and versatile enough for a wide range of outdoor activities. Think of them as a solid starter kit for anyone just getting into dry bag life. They're not the most heavy-duty option on this list, but for casual camping, beach days, and light water use, they do the job well. If you're on a budget or just want extra bags for the price, the Pimoys are a smart, cost-effective choice. Number 8. Stover Waterproof Dry Bag. The Stover Waterproof Dry Bag is a beast of a bag built for a different kind of adventurer. Made from heavy-duty PVC or tarpaulin material, it's designed to handle motorcycle touring, overland travel, and truly rough outdoor conditions. It's styled more like a backpack than a traditional dry bag, with larger cargo capacity and serious weather resistance. This is gear luggage level toughness, the kind of bag you grab when you need something that won't quit on a week-long adventure. If you're a moto tourer or overlander who needs bulletproof storage, the Stover is our premium pick without question. Number 9. Ilzar Waterproof Dry Bag. The Ilzar Waterproof Dry Bag strikes a nice balance between weight and performance, making it a solid all-around choice for hikers and paddlers alike. It comes in multiple sizes, uses a roll-top closure, and it's built from lightweight, waterproof fabric that's easy to pack and carry. It's one of those bags that just works. No bells and whistles, just reliable protection. Ilzar keeps things simple and functional, which is exactly what most everyday outdoor adventurers want from a dry bag. Not flashy, but dependable. The Ilzar is a great everyday outdoor companion for those who want balanced, lightweight utility. Coming in at number 10, the OMGer Waterproof Dry Bag is a sports-focused pick, designed for beach days, kayaking, and water-forward activities. It comes in sizes from 5-liter to 40-liter, features a roll-top seal, and has a durable PVC shell that can handle the splash and spray of an active water day. The adjustable carry system makes it comfortable whether you're slung over your shoulder or clipped to a kayak. OMGer keeps a solid focus on waterproof performance for active users who don't want to baby their gear. If you spend most of your outdoor time near or on the water, the OMGer is a dependable, sports-ready option that won't disappoint. Number 11. Villi Waterproof Dry Bag. The Villi Waterproof Dry Bag brings a more modern, accessory-focused design to the lineup. It's lightweight, available in multiple sizes, and built with waterproof synthetic material that handles outdoor conditions without adding bulk. It's equally at home on a day hike as it is on a beach trip or casual travel day. Villi keeps things clean, practical, and adventure-ready without overcomplicating the design. If you want a stylish, all-purpose dry bag that works across multiple activities, the Villi is a fresh and functional option worth considering. Closing out our list, the Alva Waterproof Dry Bag is another zipper closure style bag that leans into the wet bag organizer concept. It's made from waterproof polyester, is easy to clean and wash, and works great for travel laundry, swim gear, or keeping wet clothes from ruining your suitcase. It's compact, reusable, and built for real life. Think of the Alva as the smart travel companion you didn't know you needed. It's not built for extreme outdoor adventures, but for swim-to-travel organization and keeping things tidy on the go. It's a genuinely useful and reusable bag. So there you have it, 12 of the best waterproof dry bags for 2026. If I had to pick just 2, I'd go with the Earth Pack for pure adventure toughness and the Wise Owl Outfitters 3-pack for incredible everyday value. Check the links in the description to grab yours today. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to OutdoorKitPro, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a gear guide.